Shisha tea. So on my today's video, I'm going to be doing this Diwali makeup look. This is the full-on glam Diwali festive ready look that I've done here, which is super appropriate for all kind of Indian attires. You can change the colors here and there according to your outfit. For example, I've done blue and purple here on the lower eye because that's what the color of my sari is. So you can change the colors, but overall you all can do this makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
So I start off by using my MAC Studio Fix Concealer on my eyelids because I'm going to start off with my eyes. Then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and using the particular shades, I'm going to use my transition colors built up to deeper browns and deeper like peachish pinkish colors and keep blending it back and forth as I am adding the colors. And later I'm also using the Ocean Mystery palette from the O2O and using this deep red color. Now again taking this shade from the Huda Beauty palette again and blending it out and making the color look very seamless and natural and very well blended. Now I'm taking a liquid concealer and trying to make a cut on my eyes for the cut crease with the help of a concealer. Then I'm taking a flat brush using some Fix Plus onto it and moving on to shimmers. I'm going to mix these two shimmers and add it on the cut crease to give like a shiny glittery effect on the cut crease. For the outer V, I'm going to take the deep brown and black color and try to make it deep so that I also get a smoky kind of effect towards the outer corners. Fill in my eyebrows with the same deeper brown color from the Huda Beauty palette, and on my face I'm going to use the Bio Oil first. For foundation, I'm going to use the Sugar Drop That Base foundation. Now I'm going to blend all of it with the YBB foundation, and later to conceal my eyes I'm again using the MAC Studio Fix concealer on my under eye, like the black area that I have, the black line. I really like to conceal it. And then for highlighter I'm using the O2O concealer in a lighter shade and using that as a highlighter on my main highlight points of the face. And to blend this out, I'm using the Plume & Co. Beauty Blender. Setting all of it with a Fit Me loose powder. Using the Plum Goodness Kajal under my eyes to set a base for the colorful eyeshadow look that I'm going to do on my under eye. Now I'm taking the eyeshadow palette in the shade Zero Vivid Victory of Dry Sugar and take this deep blue color to like give a deep blue effect kind of thing under my eyes. Then I'm taking the Lakme liquid eyeliner and making like a subtle wing liner. Also adding this purple shimmery shade on the under eye and giving like a ombre effect with the blue and the purple. Added lashes from the Henna Beauty Nazakat and taking the Make Me Up Next bronzer and adding some shiny glittery bronzer on my face. Then I'm taking the Sugar Face palette and using the contour shade for my nose and blending it out. Then I'm taking this Coral Pop color as a blush on from Dry Sugar again and taking this lip liner which is on the nudie peachish shade and lining up my lips. Taking the matching shade from the Sugar Mini liquid lipsticks and filling that in on my lips. Using the Pack Loose powder in the shade Stellar and putting that on the highlight points of my face.
So that was my Diwali makeup look. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you are thinking about this series. Subscribe to my channel, also hit on the bell icon, comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.